What's up, y'all? It's your battle buddy Bob. So, I am in the country of France, south of France, in a city called Nice, but it's spelled like nice. And my brother Robbie is going to show me how to catch the tram. See Robbie right there. He's going to show me how to catch the tram for the first time. And so I go, yeah, not the train, it's the tram. And we're going to ride out to the Canes, the city of Canes. So we're just doing our pre-walkthroughs. And while we're waiting here, just getting the ticket, they got a random vegetable stand right here. You can grab you some fruits and vegetables on the way home. And then over here, you know, it has a lot of old world feel to it. It's like an integration of the old world and the new world. So very interesting. Trying to figure it out. Trying to figure it out.
The first thing you gotta do is go to English. And the green button to buy a ticket. Ticket is to it. You are adults. You're leaving to Nice and you're going to Cannes. Today. 2 adults. 0 kids.
And drop in the bottom right there. Okay.
Set out. We got 2 tickets to go to Kings.
Let's go.
Let's get it. Now we gotta figure out what side is going to Kings. That's my
Maybe it's through that other tunnel to the left. I see a sign say Cans in that other tunnel on the screen. Number 2 up there. Okay. Number 2. Yep. Nah, this is cool right here. Just caught my first tram. Going from Nice to Canes. And since I'm talking about the tram, let me show you around. So this tram is two levels. You got your downstairs level with seating, and you got your upstairs level with seating. And let me show you the route map. So we were here, and now we're going here.
So, next station, prossima fermata.
So this is the end of the day. It's about 5:30 in the evening time. So it was actually a lot more crowded about an hour ago. So I guess traffic started to thin out, which makes sense. People gotta start going to dinner, spending time with their families, and closing down their evening time. And we gotta find something to eat in Canes or Cons. So just finished my first tram ride, and it was pretty smooth. I liked it. It was very comfortable. Had like kind of seats like you're on a train, and little couches in between. And they had an upstairs and downstairs seating. See the train leaving right now. So, brother Robbie right here showing me how to navigate this tram system. So I'm still learning. But it's pretty simple. Like, what I like about it is a lot of things are automated, and they do have things written, in English. So, you can understand. Most things are written in subtext, like parentheses, So that's one thing to be cognizant of. Beautiful city. All right, we made it. The sights and sounds of France.
So what I'm hearing is kind of what I was getting
Yeah. Up there.
Some of the things we did last year, and we can unload that. For lack of better words.
All kinds of people here.
It's hard to navigate.
I mean, everybody out. All right, y'all. Before I forget, get off the couch. Come on over here with your battle buddy Bob and explore the world. Peace, y'all.